Okay.
What do we got, Karen?
Well, we have another snack today, and it's zucchini. It's a zucchini roll. You know anything about zucchini?
Well, the problem with zucchini is so bland, you got to spice it up. So I think you did that with this.
Yes, and this is a zucchini roll with herb, goat cheese, and capers, and it's lovely. And if you see on this plate here, I made little tiny ones just for nibbling. You can stick a little toothpick through it, serve it, but you'll also see larger ones. And what's really cool about this is you can make them as large as you want, and something larger like that would be a beautiful side to some fish or something like
like a
that
whole meal
on your plate. So it can be a side dish or a snacky.
Very flavorful.
Yeah, really simple. That's it.
Let's show you how to make it.
Okay.
Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie. Click the link below. Below.
check it out.